Hi, it's been a couple of months that I have not been able to travel and make travel vlogs, but that's not gonna stop me from making videos. From all types of videos, nothing excites me more than a travel vlog. Even हामी travel गर्न नपाए पनि अरूको भ्लग हेर्दाखेरि यस्तै फिल लाग्छ कि आफू पनि उनीहरूसँगै ट्राभल गर्दैछु जस्तो लाग्छ, उनीहरूसँगै जर्नीमा जाँदैछु जस्तो लाग्छ. Actually, I just wanted to show you all new Doksum town. पहिला चाहिँ दोक्सुम भन्थ्यो, अब अहिले न्यू टाउनसिप आएको छ. So it's called Kichang. That's where I stay. As I said earlier, it's a new town and lots of construction works are going on everywhere in every corner of the town. Yeah, noisy. Excavator is working. As you can see there, the excavator is busy working. Before I proceed further with my video, I just wanted to request you all to watch the video till the end, like and subscribe my channel if and only if you genuinely like my contents. I came from here and then now this is called Sengkharla. Actually it's under Khamdang Gyok. We have their school and we also have one hospital. Look what I found. Let's climb up and see. I enjoy climbing mountains and hills. It's great. So here we are here at the top of the new township, Kichang town. यो इलेक्ट्रिक पोल्सको मुनि नयाँ पुरानो टाउन हो, दोक्सुम भन्छ. त्यहाँ एउटा क्लिफ टाइपको छ, भिर जस्तो छ. So this is the new township. See, lots of construction works going on, buildings, and this one, exactly this one. This is where I stay. Okay. So I came all the way from this road and then here. I don't know, अरूलाई कस्तो फिल लाग्छ. मलाई त I feel like त्यति well developed पनि छैन, त्यति remote पनि छैन. I feel like it's good enough. That river it's Drangmichu, and there is one more river coming from this side. It's called Kholongchu, and Kholongchu and Drangmichu, they meet just below the old Doksum town. This area it's called Tongzang village bhancha. Although it looks nearby, it will take more than 1 hour to reach there. This is the shortcut way that leads to the town. It's been more than 3 months that I've been here and I've never taken this route. I never walked through this shortcut, so let me explore today. Wow, this is amazing. As you have seen that we really have a breathtaking view of the town from here. So that's it for today's video. So it's time I go home and take some rest. I hope you all enjoyed my video, and please, like I said earlier, Like and subscribe my channel if and only if you genuinely like my content. Thank you for being till then. See you all in